Ikaw lang?
Hindi sila sumami.
Yan na lang ng pastor. Ay, magkatuloy pa rin ano.
Ha? Hindi na po. You want to make a video for me or I will just hire?
Sniper!
Okay na po, no? Thank you.
Bilis! Bilis!
So, okay guys, now we're here and I will try the surf. So it's my first time.
Where?
Surfing.
Surfing. I thought in Cloud9.
No. Cloud9, no. But surfing, yeah. Uy! Oo. Kano ba ad kuya kapag picture?
Ano na lang, 400 na lang sa'yo. Kasi 500 minimum tawag.
Mahal pala.
Oo.
May camera kayo nun?
Sa'yo yan. Kasi
Ay, hirami mo rin camera ko.
sa yung cellphone.
Itong GoPro na kan?
O yan, pwede din dyan.
Daddy,
My throat is pain.
600 for the
Surplus niya.
So magkano lahat ba?
Ano siya ma'am, pag once na may photographer tayo, iba yung bayad sa photographer. So yung sa surplus
Yung
natin,
600.
600 per hour na yun.
Per-
Include na siya board of instructor na.
Okay. So the photographer is 400.
So total is 1,000. If you
Total 1,000.
take someone to take a picture. Mas okay ma'am may rending photographer. Oh, para may mga rides mo.
Wala man tawag dun sa photographer. Akala ko
Yeah, photographer. But mamaya I need to buy a
No,
pictures again.
no, we're just paying for the person, not the gadgets or everything. This one he will gonna take it to make a video for me. That's yeah.
So he's gonna use this camera.
Instead of I'm holding it like this,
Much better in the front.
so I can focus. Okay, I was just gonna pay anyway.
Okay. Salamat. Oh.
Sige.
Not the bad that I'm losing my voice.
Okay. Saan sila mama?
Doon.
Doon na.
Doon.
Okay ma'am.
Daw po. So guys, I'm excited to try this
So what's
surfing.
happening now? I don't know.
No, the kuya. That's why we will pay him. So you can just use your phone. Yan, bidyan mo lang kung gamit yung phone mo.
May wala po.
Toti. Kanina walang tao, ano? Pelas na po. Training lang, training.
Ano ka maglangoy?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ano lang, floating lang.
Floating lang.
Pero ano,
Pag hindi ka marunong lumangoy, dito na lang tayo kasi pag once doon tayo, medyo malalim na. So, dyan tayo banda. Sa baba lang tayo. Okay? So, ano naman niya?
What's he say?
So, ano ka ma'am? Right handed ka lang panel. Left handed?
There's
So, pag left handed naman, nag-position sila lang dyan.
But I want to swim down.
Sa front?
I don't want to swim.
He doesn't know how to swim. Ang right foot naman sa front. So once na pagbarog na to sa board, always na naka-side sa pag-flip. Ayaw pag i-straight sa board.
bawal ganyan?
Bawal o.
Okay.
Naka-side kayo. Pag once na naka-straight na siya, lisod kayo balance. So kailangan naka-sideways, bend ang tuhod, then lock straight. Okay? So kanila nga ito mga.
Mamay.
So sa board. So ano lang, angat lang itong tis kamay, tapos ko sa tugil. So, bago sa taon na ha. Then, pag-iuna kong ready yan yung ito to. So pag yung umunod, hindi lang ma'am. Angat na ang lubot para paspas pagpuntang left foot na to. And then step ang left foot. Ang right foot na.
Dead battery. I'm not
Okay?
fake.
Ibalik ko na pa ha.
255. Okay.
And to follow first. Okay. Up. Left. And then right. Okay. Try to bend more and then relax. Okay? Ano pangalan ma'am? Si Marlon ma'am. Okay. Si ma'am.
You don't know how to swim.
Tapa sa board
This
ma'am.
is your
Tapa.
training. You know how to swim. You can
So,
go
yeah,
there.
okay.
Because
Try to
that
follow
part is
first.
kind of deep.
Okay. Get ready.
Yeah, no, people.
Yeah. Okay. Up. Push up. Left
So
foot.
right till the knees. There's nothing
Then
here.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna
Perfect.
put this?
That's a perfect.
Who's gonna
Then,
crawl in the rocks here?
Okay? Nice one, ma'am. Woohoo! Upo sa bird mo. Up! Tingin lang sa malayo, ma'am. Keep going. Yung nice one. Nice one. Opo, ma'am. Opo. Opo. Oo nga ma'am, kapagod lang pagbalik no.
Yeah!
Keep going ma'am, sige, dito lang. Oh, galing nila doon. Ma'am. Lean forward. Balik ma'am, upo. Nice one ma'am, keep going. Kuwat pa. Kuha ni ma'am. Kuha. Next one, ma'am. Ay.
Hey! Hello guys! Hello, tama na daw! Oh, what happened? Hello! Oh! Huh? Eh, malumos! Hala! Malumos! Tara na. Ha? Blue. Oh, blue. Oo, blue, Jude. Blue eyes. Blue eyes. They are amazed, yeah. They are amazed of your eyes. Okay,
Your
stay.
eyes is brown.
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 White. Green. Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, tara na. Bye-bye na. Bye. 1, 2, 3, cover your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Ingat guys.
Thank you.
Ingat.
Sige na, bye-bye. 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 High five. Bye-bye. Then they are correcting it. Siargao.
Hello guys, we're here in Siargao.
How many times you will say hello? You're here in Siargao.
Second time. Oh, it's a coconut. Maybe it's good, man.
No, that one is an old one, so you can make it like for cooking. Dito na lang yan.
Where?
Madamo na dun eh, dito lang. Swimming, dito. Ah. Ha? Ano lang yan, alon? Catch! Thomas, catch!
Thomas! Uy! Thomas! Go back, Thomas! Go back! No! Go back, go back!